I got my fish platter. This right here, this loveliness, this is pork yak. Check out the other video of how I made it. And this is my beautiful salad. See that salad? Beautiful. Look at that. So let's just talk about this real quick. This is cucumber, how I slice it. If you want to know how I did it, go to the other video about how I make pork yak. And it's in there how I did the salad. So I'm going to grab me a handy dandy napkin here. But before we get too far into it, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with any and everyone that you know. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel about the video. Give me some tips if you have any, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Caesar dressing, which I didn't know it wasn't open. I'm going to open this up really quickly. Well, I guess it's not going to be really quickly. But okay. I can't get this open. And this is crazy. I can't get this open. And I'm like so hungry, I'm ready to eat. Okay. That was crazy. That was like totally crazy. Put that there. Put my, again, this is Caesar dressing that I'm putting on here in my salad. I have tomatoes, cucumbers, romaine lettuce, jalapeno peppers, and I also have Spanish olives, because I love olives. See if you can see the red inside. You can't really see it. The hole is small. Anywho, that's what it is. A nice salad with cucumbers and croutons and lettuce. Like I said, romaine lettuce, jalapenos for a little kick. And let's get into it. So I'm going to just mix my salad dressing here. I'm flicking stuff all over the place. I love croutons. I literally eat my croutons. Literally. Just eat plain croutons out the bag. I love them so much. My favorite kind is the Olive Garden ones. Love them. Okay, so I'm going to start and take a little bite of salad first. I am hungry. Make sure I wipe my mouth. And I'm going to start eating some of this yak. So again, like I said, this is pork yak. That's the pork. It's actually pork chops, and I just cut the meat up. Cut the meat off the bone. And it's just so good. It's just so good. This is tasty. So guys, so in my other video, my seafood boil, I mean, guys, it's not easy trying to get this food, eat all this food. I don't know how some of these YouTubers do it. I just really can't eat a whole lot. It seems like I should be able to eat. It's weird because once you actually start doing the videos, you realize how much you really can eat. I thought I could eat more than that, but I don't know. So this time, the last time I made sure I was hungry, but it didn't help when I could eat what I could eat. So that's all I can do, guys. I can eat until I'm done, right? I just was gonna have something to say about how I'm eating my noodles, but I'm hungry. I'm hungry, and I'm hungry. I'm really like getting into this tonight. Jalapeno was hot there. It just tastes so good. Sometimes I take the a little of the jalapeno juice and put that on. In the salad, I didn't have any cheese tonight to put in there, like the little Parmesan cheese. But if you just take a little of the juice, like from the jalapenos that come in a jar, a little of that juice, and sprinkle the cheese on it, you don't even really need salad dressing. I like it. Sometimes I don't like to mix a whole lot of flavors. Excuse me, sometimes salad dressing is too much. Excuse me. I had to get some soda this time, guys, because I need to burp so I can don't feel like extra packed. You know? Like I want to eat, but I don't want to feel overpacked. You know, guys, like growing up, you always told, clean your plate. Clean your plate, clean your plate. And then when you grow up and you go to the doctor and you get older and you're not the size of the doctor that you be, they say, it doesn't hurt to leave food on the plate. You don't have to eat everything on the plate. Like, okay, good luck with me trying to reverse it after all these years. It's not easy getting these videos out, guys. This is like a full-time job, seriously. Time you get the content, actually do the video, edit, it's really a lot. So good. So good. I just bit my lip. I feel like I'm rushing. My neck. I need to relax a little bit. Whew. Guys, I'm about to be almost done. Let me see. Can I finish it? Can I finish it? I don't know. I'm just feeling myself all over my shirt. Move this over. I'm trying to make it so you can see inside of here, but this is like a Spanish olive, like the olive ones that have the inside of it is red, but you can't see it on almost one of the ones I have in here. I really like olives. Everybody don't like olives, but I love olives, especially in my salad. It's nothing like a good old olive and a grilled chicken salad. It's delicious. Wow. You ever like get full and you kind of like just pick through the food and get your favorite pieces that you want left out before you can't eat no more? I'm hungry right now. I'm taking all my croutons out. And maybe the olives. Olives. Tasty treats. Now the cucumbers. More bread. That's it. As you can see, almost all my salad is gone. And you can see the fish. Once again, this is my fish tray. I love it. This tray was from my grandma, and I just love it. I had it for a long time, and I always want to find a reason to do it on the holidays. I'm starting. Excuse me, on the holidays I bring it out. I just really love it. It's a fish, so it doesn't really match with usually like Christmas or whatever decor I'm having, but oh well, it's my fish. I love it. So with that being said, guys, oh wow, I did not do a thumbnail. I'm screwed right now. Wow. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I'll find something. Okay, guys. With all the food almost gone. Okay. I'll see what I can do. Okay, guys, remember, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with any and everyone you know. Let them know that Queen of Trades is over here putting these videos out, and I need people to watch. Okay, guys? So, good night, cuties.